How to verify your PRIMEXBT account? Are guys facing issues to verify account on PRIMEXBT website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for PRIMEXBT website. As soon as you enter the PRIMEXBT website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the right corner of your screen where you can see this option for verify. Just simply tap on verify. After you click on verify, you'll be forwarded to this section. Now just check this box I consent to this processing of personal data and click on continue. After you click on continue, you need to click a photo using a camera. After you fill up all these details, your account will be verified on PRIMEXBT. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to verify your account on PRIMEXBT website. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.